If always on display does not work on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you can go to settings, and then in here scroll down a little bit and search for lock screen and AOD. Keep in mind that if on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone there is a lock screen only without AOD, then of course it means that always on display is not included on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, or you can just go to these settings and see if you have always on display option. If not, then it simply means that your phone is not, it doesn't support always on display, or at least it does not have a built-in always on a display. If you do have AOD, then the first thing that you can do here is you can simply turn off AOD and turn it back on. Sometimes this simple switch off and switch on action can fix some of the AOD issues, so you can try with that at first. Of course, we can tap on the option itself and you can find some more options. For example, if you use a custom always on display, for example, a one that you got from the Galaxy theme app, then in that case you might want to remove it. Over here you should be able to find an option to use the lock screen wallpaper, so you might want to enable that to make sure that the custom AOD is going to be erased, and then see if that works, if you can use always on display after that. If you still cannot use always on a display, then you can go to when to show. And here we can start by choosing always. So now, if you lock your phone, you should see always on the display straight away. If you still cannot see it, you can simply restart your phone. So for example, we can swipe down from the upper right side to open the quick settings panel. And then in here, you can tap on this power button to open the power menu. And of course, here we have the restart button. And after restarting, you can see if it works again. But most likely, if you set it to always, it should work without any issues whatsoever. Now, if always works, then you can switch to auto and then see if that works. If you choose auto, then over here we can read that we should be able to see always on display all the time, unless your phone detects that you are sleeping or that it is face down or in a dark place and hasn't moved for at least 5 minutes. And by default we have tap to show selected, which means that in order to actually see always on the display, you have to tap once on your screen. So this might be a little difference between other always on display features that we have on other Android smartphones. Here you actually have to tap on the screen to show it up. On other smartphones it might just work straight away. So there is a small difference between a Samsung Galaxy smartphone and other smartphones in general when it comes to AODs. So you need to keep that in mind. Now if you prefer, of course, to have it activated automatically, then you, like I said, you might want to switch to automatic. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.